It's lovely to see this wonderful pair of parrots. You look at the detail of the leaves. When you see leaves of this quality and expression on the parrot's face, you realise this is the workshop of Luteritz, and it's August Luteritz, and probably painted by Luteritz himself. More 19th century Meissen. A good selection of 19th century Meissen of varying quality. And 20th century. 20th century pagoda figures with their nodding heads. A nice family group, music, and a nice monkey band. Of course, probably a pair of Augustus Rex vases that I'm not going to get out, but we'll have a look a little bit later.